Hello students, it is Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. We are going to start with our math lesson for today. The cursor is moving onto the screen here. Boys and girls, we've been dealing now a lot with subtraction equations. Now, we're going to learn counting back by ones, twos, and threes. I want you to pay attention. Sit still and look at your screen as we go through these. Now, boys and girls, we have here a subtraction equation. Let's read it together. 8 minus 3 equals blank. Let's read it again. 8 minus 3 equals blank. Now, boys and girls, this is a subtraction equation. You know that subtraction means we take away, we minus, okay? Now, 8 is up front right here. Now, look at these photos down here. There are 8 cows. 8 cows represent number 8. Now it says minus 3, okay? So, 3 cows gotta be taken out of here. And the remaining is our answer. But we're gonna count back by ones, twos, and threes, okay? So this is 3 here. So boys and girls, we're gonna start at 8, okay? There are 8 cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, here's how we're going to do it. Since this says minus 3, we're going to take out 3 cows, but we're going to count back these 3 cows, okay? Now, let's do it like this, okay? Now, I'm going to move this 1, 2, and 3. Let me move these 3 cows up, okay? These 3 cows are going to be taken out. Here is our answer. But boys and girls, we're going to count back and see how many there are left, okay? Watch me. 8, 7, 6. Now, these 3, 8, 7, 6. 5. Now, boys and girls, since 5 is here, what's our answer? 5. So let's get 5 and let's insert 5 in there. That's our answer, okay? Now, if you get confused, you can count it up again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? But since our objective is counting back by ones, twos, and threes, we're going to count backwards, okay? Now, let's look at another example. Here we go. Now, we have here another subtraction equation. 9 minus 2 equals blank. We have 9 pigs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, boys and girls, here we go now. Okay. We're going to take out 2 pigs minus 2. Watch. I'm just going to move them up so you can see that 2 pigs now are out. Our answer's right here. But boys and girls, we have to count back to get to our answer here, okay? Now, watch. We're going to start at 9, okay? You always start at this first number. We're going to count back 2 times. Here we go. 9, 8. Okay? And to get our answer here, we just got to come back right here and count this one. Watch me. 9, 8, 7. So boys and girls, what's our answer here? 7. So let's get 7 and insert 7 there, okay? Now, if you want to recheck your answer, you're just going to count these back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which we got here. You do not count these 2 because we took those 2 out, so you leave those out. So all we're doing is counting backwards, okay? Remember that number line that we use? That's where that comes into play also, but I just did not insert that number line here this time, okay? Let's keep going, okay? Don't worry, if you don't get this, we're going to do some more examples. Now, we have here another subtraction equation. 5 minus 1 equals blank, okay? Now, 5, this first number, there are 5 French fry cups here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it says minus 1. So look, I'm going to take 1 and let me just put it up there so that way you can see that 1 French fry cup is out of the equation. Our answer is right here, but we have to count back, okay? Now, we start at 5, so you're going to say 5 is here. Okay, let's count. 5, 4. So what's our answer here, boys and girls? 4. So let's get 4. Let's insert 4 here. And to recheck your answer, you're just going to count this up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our answer there, okay? Now, you probably kind of get the hang of this. You know now, okay, so I have to count backwards. These ones that we took out and count that last one in here, okay? 5, 4. That's our answer. And to recheck, you just count them up the normal way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's come here to another example. We have here 4 minus 3 equals blank. Let's read it again. 4 minus 3 equals... Now, since 4 is up front here, there are 4 cow bottles right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, it says here, 4 minus 3. So we're going to look here at minus 3, okay? So we got to take out 3 cow bottles from here. So let's do that. Let's just put them here. 1, 2, and 3, okay? 3 got taken out of there because it says minus 3. Now, boys and girls, here is our answer. Now, you're probably saying the answer now, but we got to count back to get there, okay? Remember, we start from 4. So you're going to come here, you're going to start at 4 and count backwards. Okay? Let's count. 4, 3, 2, 1. So boys and girls, our answer here is going to be 1, okay? Let's insert that there. Because there's 1 cow bottle left here. So our answer here is 1. So 4 minus 3 equals 1. Now, let's come here to our next example. 7 minus 2 equals blank. It's right here for us again. Now, there are 7 books here. 7 is up front, but it says minus 2. So watch. Let's put 2 books up here so you can see that they're removed now, okay? Now, here is our answer. But we have to count back, okay? We're going to start at 7. So you're going to start here. You're going to say 7, 6, 5. So what's our answer, boys and girls? 5. So let's get 5 and insert 5 there. And if you want to check, you count these up again, okay? Just this row because these 2 are taken out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer here is 5. It's just that we're counting backwards here, okay? You only count these two and this first last one, okay? Now let's continue. We have another slide to look at. Now, boys and girls, the same thing here. We have a subtraction equation that states 1 minus 1 equals blank. Let's read it again. 1 minus 1 equals blank. Now, you look here at this first number, 1. We have one dinosaur here. One dinosaur. But it says minus 1. Okay? Minus 1. So, you gotta take this dinosaur and just remove him. Let's just put this dinosaur here. Now, there are no dinosaurs here. So, boys and girls, what's our answer? 0. Good job, okay? 0's gonna go there, okay? Now, count backwards. We're gonna start from 1. You're gonna say 1, 0, okay? Sometimes you're gonna have a subtraction equation like this. You're gonna have two same numbers. When you take away, it is always gonna be 0, okay? Now, boys and girls, go get a paper and pencil. Once you get your paper and pencil, on your screen is your math homework. I want you to do 4 problems, okay? You're gonna do the same thing that we did in these photos, okay? You see how we did that? I want you to draw these. You can put circles in, okay? You're gonna put whatever number minus what there. If you forget, boys and girls, how to do this, I want you to rewind the video and re-watch how we did these slides, okay? Sometimes you're gonna have to watch the video more than once to understand it. But here are your math homework equations, okay? You're gonna do 4 of them. Once you are done, put it in your folder because you are going to return that on Friday. Go ahead and pause the screen right here because I am going to log off in another 15 seconds.